JD-170T is a wireless call button with IP67 and simple design case. It offers great customer tracking service that can cover 400 meters in free space. JD-170T has durable battery life, press 20 times a day, can use for 180 days. RE-300T is our 15-button receiver. When the customer presses JD-170T, receiver will beep and show the table number by dual-color LED. A01 Pager can also be paired to JD-170T. The beeping sound and the message shown on the screen will remind the waiter to serve the customer. Let me show you how to connect with JD-170T, RE-300T, and A01. Press JD-170T button. RE-300T will beep and show with blue light. 2 minutes later, the blue light will turn to the red light. It reminds you that your customer has been waiting for a long time. A01 can also receive the message from JD-170T.